Product labels will accompany potentially hazardous products. These labels will contain the minimum required information. This includes a product identifier. This is how the chemical is identified. This may include the chemical name, code, or batch number as determined by the manufacturer or distributor. A precautionary statements section. This section will include statements and recommendations to minimize or prevent adverse effects resulting from chemical exposure. For example, we already know that this product is highly flammable. A precautionary statement could be, keep away from heat, sparks, and/or open flame. No smoking. These statements are extremely relevant to your safety while using the product. A relatively new section is the inclusion of one or more pictograms. There are 9 standard pictograms, and these may be placed on the product to help identify the type of chemical hazard. We will discuss these pictograms further in a moment, but we can see from this example that this product is a health hazard to humans and is flammable. A signal word. The signal word will either be danger or warning to reflect the hazard class of the chemical. If the word is danger, that reflects more severe hazards. If the word is warning, it will reflect some of the lesser severe hazards. This label example includes the word danger, which means this product can be severely hazardous if the directions are not followed. A hazard statements section. This section will include relevant statements that describe the nature of the hazard. This example claims it's highly inflammable and may cause liver or kidney damage. Depending on the product and where you received it from, the label may include some more information regarding the supplier and any supplemental info, such as expiration dates and further directions. We have previously mentioned that pictograms will appear on labels. There are currently 9 pictograms that you may see included on a product label. Let's review those now. Health hazard. This is indicated by a human silhouette. The health hazard pictogram is included on products that may be identified as affecting overall or long-term health, including carcinogens or long-term toxic effects. You must follow directions to avoid any risk to your health. The flame. This pictogram indicates that you must consider fire safety while using this product. It may be flammable or emit flammable materials. It may also be reactive if mixed with other chemicals. Follow directions to avoid an incident. The exclamation mark, indicating special precautions. These may include immediate health concerns, irritations, and other effects the chemical may have on your body, including narcotic effects. Follow directions to protect the immediate health of yourself and others. The gas cylinder. This pictogram indicates that the contents of the container are under pressure. Follow directions to ensure you do not accidentally burst the container. The corrosion symbol, as indicated by a chemical reacting with surface or skin. This indicates the product may react or burn if it touches your skin or other materials, such as metals. Follow directions to avoid a chemical reaction. The exploding bomb, which indicates that the product is explosive. You will want to follow directions to ensure you do not accidentally set off an explosive reaction. The flame over a circle pictogram indicates that the product is an oxidizer. Though not necessarily combustible, this signifies that the product may cause other chemicals to combust if it is mixed with them. Follow directions carefully to know what substances to avoid. The environment pictogram. This pictogram is not mandatory and may or may not be included on the products you are using, but if you see it, it means that the product may have a detrimental effect on the natural environment, such as poisoning life and water. And finally, the skull and crossbones. This is used to indicate acute toxicity, meaning it is fatal or toxic if absorbed. Depending on the product, this could be through breathing, skin contact, ingestion, or another avenue of exposure. Use special precautions as detailed by the label. These are the 9 pictograms that you might see. If you have a question regarding a particular pictogram, please contact the product's manufacturer to ensure you understand why it was included. You'll notice that these pictograms will be related to the information provided on the label and within the safety data sheet. For example, we see that this label has the health hazard and flame pictograms. These relate to precautions within the precautionary statement section. You will also see a heavy relationship between these pictograms and the hazard statements. This is a dangerous product because it is highly flammable and may cause liver and kidney damage.